So we already, the school and the students have been doing Khan Academy from like past 1.5 years. And what I've observed is that Lunchstorm brings that great amount of energy in them, and they shoot right through up the sky in the engagement with the Khan Academy in terms of number of minutes spent watching videos, doing activities. So yeah, the engagement increased, but it was like a sinusoidal curve, wherein during the course of these 3 months, it has been mostly up, but there are some instances where it has gone down during the Diwali breaks, as we saw. So yeah, but overall, yeah, relative to other times of period, during the Lunchstorm, their engagement has been very high. It's my first year in the school, and when I came across this, like this tool is in use so extensively, I just wondered like what it is in this tool that makes the school use it so extensively. And when I like observed and saw how the students were engaging with it at their own pace, at their own ease, and learning at the same time. So I think it has given that it has reduced the teacher's role to mere guide, or what you can say, yeah, mere guide, I would say. And we just guide the students, and they're able to learn all these things on their own. Yeah. So it has given that agency of learning, of self learning to the students. So during the start of Lunchstorm only, we had sessions around growth mindset, which involved having sessions around dealing with challenges, making goals, so that students during the long course of this Lunchstorm also, as well as in their general life, are able to deal with challenges. So those sessions really helped in the ability of the students to come up over the hurdles. Like whenever they faced any hurdles or obstacles, they were able to come up through their growth mindset only. So this time what we did different with Lunchstorm was to combine these two amazing tools, which are called, one is Khan Academy obviously, and the other is map assessments. So earlier our approach was to develop the love for learning in kids through Khan Academy and through Lunchstorm. This year we focus primarily on filling the gaps in the skills of the students. So we utilize this tool, map assessment, and I think the biggest challenge was to integrate map skills in Lunchstorm and assign assignments on Khan Academy, so that they are learning at the same time, increasing their RIT score on map skills, as well as fill up the levels in Lunchstorm. So the biggest challenge was that. Second challenge was to keep the same momentum during the whole course of 3 months, so that students are doing Khan Academy day in and day out and increasing their levels. So we came up with structures such as weekly Lunchstorm assemblies and class. We elected class leaders, and they themselves motivated their peers. But it was still difficult during some period of time to keep up that momentum. So yeah, these were the two main challenges that we faced.
So we had made these two classes, Lunchstorm class A and Lunchstorm class B, and throughout, like every week, they would all be together to check their progress. And something that was really interesting to see is how they were encouraging not only their own classmates, they were encouraging the other class, right? So you could say that, okay, if Lunchstorm class A was initially a little behind, and you could see them all encouraging that, no, you're doing well, keep it up, keep growing. And as you saw Lunchstorm class A slowly coming up, it was very visible that the class B was a little sad about their own progress, but they were still applauding the progress that was made by class A. So I think that was a really amazing way as a collaboration as a whole school, right? Because they're the classes from the whole school. Right, so I think each class, even inside these LearnStorm classes, like we had multiple grades. So each grade classroom, I think they took it upon themselves to, as it was online, they would be connected virtually, making WhatsApp groups and connecting with each other. If someone gets stuck, they help out and they ask questions. If their classmates cannot help, they had a teacher to go to after that. So I think that's something that they did it on their own. They came up and made these groups and done. So definitely each child is growing in their own way, but one story that comes to a highlight is of a student named Adit who was not very confident with math initially, and when we even the same gets reflected in his MAP scores when we took it initially at the beginning of the year. And then going through LearnStorm, being in that team spirit competition, and going through that process of having that mindset of trying again and again. And I think it has changed over these 3 months, and the effects can be seen that he gave a test in winter and his scores have increased relatively. He himself feels more confident about math. We decided to integrate this MAP Khan Academy into the math instruction, and which made it so much more focused online, and it also kept the kids engaged, as well as it also helped us as a teacher to differentiate and give focused instruction to each and every individual student. So I think it helped a lot.